Hello, barattoonni keenya kan bakka hundi jirtan akkam bultan, akkam ooltan, akkam waaritanii. Our students all over the world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and I hope all of you are fine. So today we are going to talk about how to use verbs and how it operates in the different tenses, especially in the past tense, using one of the subject. Egaa kaayyoon gooreen barnoota keenya har'aa barnoota kanaan booda leenjitoonni gosa xumurtuu ni tarreessu, xumurtuu tokko boca isaa ni jijjiiru, amala xumurtuu hennaa darbee ni ibsu. So our objective is just to lead the types of verbs, common verbs we know, and then to change the form of the verbs, and lastly to look at or to explain how a given verb changes for a given subject. Egaa kanarratti hundaa'uun gosoota xumurtuu yoo ilaallu, when we look at the types of verbs, mainly we can classify them based on their function, such as main verb, and then we have auxiliary or helping verbs. Egaa xumurtuu ijoo kan jedhaman hima keessatti gocha yookiin immoo wanta raawwate san kan ibsan jechuudha. So the main verbs carry the primary meaning of the action in the sentence. Like this, for example, we say to eat, to go, to ride. Nyaachuu, deemuu, barreessuu, nyaachuu, deemuu, barreessuu, hojjechuu. If you say these are xumurtuu ijoo or main verbs. But on the other hand, we have helping verbs such as what? Xumurtuu gargaartuu kan jedhaman. So they are used along with the main verbs to indicate time or tense or continuity. Isaan kunis maalni dhaa, jira, jirti, jiru, ture, turan. So where and was and where in English. Inni nyaatee ture, nyaattee ture, deemee ture, deemee jira, deemaa jira, deemaa jirti. So these are the two types of verbs we have, especially the main verb and the helping verb. Or xumurtuu ijoo, main verb, like nyaachuu, deemuu, barreessuu, hojjechuu, jaalachuu, taphachuu. Helping verb is what? Like dhaa, or jira, jirti, jiru, ture, turan, based on the subject. This changes also. Ani deemeen ture, ati deemtee turte, isheen deemtee turte, isaan deemanii turan. So jira, jirti is what? As we use it for is or are. So let's proceed now. Let's proceed to hennaa darbe keessatti, you know how the verb changes. You can look at, we have here around matima meeqatu jira. Matima jechuun subject, no? Ani, ati, inni, isheen, nuyi, isin, isaan, tokko, lama, sadii, afur, shan, jaha, torba isaaniitu jiru asii. Maaliifi egaa ati kan jiru you singular and we have you plural here. So haala xumurtuu isaanii, how the verbs end for the past tense. You know, for example, ani beeke. So the suffix that comes is what? A in Afaan Oromo, A, or E in English. Ani beeke, I knew. Ati beekte, you knew. Inni beeke. So, you know, sometimes the verb form for the past of ani and the inni can be the same. There are places where it differs, of course. Ani deeme, inni deeme. Ani beeke, inni beeke. So I made it the same color because they are similar. Ati beekte, you knew. So it ends by te. Isheen beekte. Isheen beekte. So both of them end this by te. Anyway, te. Nui beekne ne. We knew. Isin beektan tan. Isaan beekan an. So isaan kun maanni haala xumurtuun dhumni xumurtuu yoo yeroo hennaa darbeetti fayyadamnan ta'uudha jechuudha. For the 7 subjects we have, so the verb ends like this. Ani beeke, ati beekte, inni beeke, isheen beekte, nuyi beekne, isin beektan, isaan beekan. So you know how this happened, how this come to happen. So we're going to look at one by one, right? Tokkon tokko isaanii olaallu. If the subject, if you take the subject ishe now, ishe, if we take the subject ishe or she, all the verbs ending in chu in their infinitive form will change to te. So if you look at this one, nyachu means to eat, dubbachu means to speak, barachu means to learn, gaafachu is to ask, jirachu is to live, fudhachu is to take. So for example, from nyachu it changes to what? Nyate. So chu is changed to te, it means, alright? So we say nyachu is to eat, nyate is what? She ate or ate. So here it means what? Ate replaces chu, or chu is replaced by what? Chu replace chu by te to make past form of what? The subject she or ishe. So let's change this one now. How this can be changed? The chu in the red color, inni diimaan kuni ka nyaachuu, dubbachuu, barachuu, gaafachuu, jiraachuu, fudhachuu, chuu kan jedhan kun maalitti jijjiiramu? Teetti jijjiiramu jechuudha. So you can easily make it what? From present or from infinitive to the past form simply by changing the chu into te. For what subject? For she subject, it means. She kan jiru yookiin immoo for isheef salphumatti garasitti jijjiirra jechuudha. Fakkeenya asirra maal jedha? Haala kanaan accordingly we change what? Isheen nyaachuu kan jiru san nyaatte. We change it chu into te, so it becomes what? She ate. Isheen dubbatte. We replaced chu by te. Nothing happened. Isheen dubbatte, and we brought the subject to the front. Isheen dubbatte, she spoke. Isheen baratte, she learned. Isheen gaafatte, she asked. Isheen jiraatte, she lived. Isheen fudhatte, she took. Yeah, she took. So this is how it works. When the subject is she, and when the verb is chu verb, or the verb that ends by chu, we simply replace chu by te. So it's worth to learn this one first, and then if there are exceptions, we'll talk about that later. So shakala means let's practice. Here is a practice. We have a practice session here. So it's what? Hojjechu, to do or to work. Kadhachu, to pray. Mariachu, to discuss. Qorachu, to investigate, to study. Taphachu, to play. Mo'achu, to win. Jaalachu, to love. So who can change this one now? Who can replace, all right, chu by te and make this sentence past form, in the past form, all right? Or talk about hair. Why is she dubbachu dandeenya? We can talk about hair by simply changing what? The chu verb into the chu into te and make it the sentence as we did before. Who can do that? So here is the form. Already here is the form prepared. So who can try it? Isheen, earlier it was saying what? Hojjechu. So now we are going to make it what? Hojjette. In place of chu, we put it what? Te. So now leave out the chu and then add te anyway. Hojjette, isheen hojjette, she did or she worked. What about she prayed or begged? She discussed. How do we say this one? She investigated. she played, she won, she loved. All right. So what could be the right answer? As we did it earlier here, as we did it earlier on this part, we have to say what? Isheen hojjechuu, where it says hojjechuu, isheen hojjette, isheen kadhatte. Up to this one is all the same. We replace chu by te simply. And we have the subject at the beginning. We are talking about isheen. Isheen mari'atte, isheen qoratte, isheen taphatte, isheen mo'atte, isheen jaalatte. We say so. We simply replace the chu by te. So this is the easy way, to talk about her. If she have done something, and if we know the verb, the infinitive form, it's easy to simply change it into what? The past form of that verb. So if you know hojjechuu, so you simply say what? You replace chu by what? Te, and then you say what? Isheen hojjette. If you know jaalachuu, jaalachuu means to love, you say what? To say she loved, you say what? Isheen jaalatte. Finish. So this is how it works. We'll come to other forms. Thank you very much. Galatoma. Ega har'a kan ilaalle maalni how we can change the chu verbs into what? The verbs that end in chu in their infinitive form into what? Into their passive, their past forms. All right. Kana ka har'a kan ilaalle salphumatti haala kanaan chu bakka jirutti tee galchine waa'ee hima darbee haasa'uu dandeenya jechuudha. Guddaa galatooma. So you can subscribe and can be a partner for this channel. Guddaa galatooma. Subscribe gochuun maamila ta'a. Galatooma.